So over here you can see that I am in the home page of VistaCreate. And over here you can also see my recent designs that I worked with. If I were to go to my project section right here, then I can see the recent designs from over here as well. And over here for the designs, you can see that some default names has been created. So over here, you can also go around and rename out your files by going around and by clicking on the text right here. And you can simply go around and rename it to, let's say, for example, test right here. For this one, I'm just going to go around and say thumbnail right here, just like this. And over here in the Instagram post, let me just go around and say game right here. And you can go around and rename out your files, as you can see, just like this. For this one, let me just go around and rename it to ribbon. And this is how you can go around and rename out the files that you have right here. You can also go around and see your designs by going around into subcategories. For example, if you used social media templates, then you can go around onto social media, then in blogging, and then covers and headers, as you can see right here. If you were to go around and click, you can access out the different designs that you made depending on what you made right here. You can go around and then get more options by hovering around the three dot button, but that is something we're going to cover up in later videos. I'm going to go around onto edit design right here, and once I do that, it opens up the design for me to edit this out as I like right here. And on the top, you can see the name over here again. So I'm just going to go around and rename this to TutorTube right here, and the file will be renamed out. So now if I were to go around and click on VistaCreate and go to my projects, now you'll be able to see the updated name right here. So if I were to click on edit design, it's already named to TutorTube, as you can see right here. It does take a bit of time to update, but if I were to go around onto my project, or go to home and go to my projects right here, then you can see that this file has been renamed out. You can also see previews for different designs, but if you make recent changes, then it does take a while to show up the preview over there as well. And that is how you can go around and rename out files and access out your projects inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.